Alright, today I've got the Kobalt 24 volt max brushless string trimmer blower from Lowe's. It's brushless, lithium batteries, $129 I paid. You can get like a coupon, $20 off coupon. I didn't bother with it, but I think you can pick them up on eBay. Anyway, my string trimmers just died. I don't know what's wrong with them. They're gas, it's a pain in the butt. Wanted something that was not a pain in the butt, so I'm going brushless electric. Hopefully it'll be a good purchase. Comes with the blower. I figured this would be good for blowing off my son's trampoline. So it's underneath the tree, it gets a lot of debris. So that'll be good for that. Let's see, max air volume, max speed, max runtime, low weight. Yeah, something my wife can just pick up and go with. I don't have to start it for her, hopefully. So let's see what comes in the box. Opens up easy enough. And so, blower nozzle, handle, instruction book, here is the blower. So I assume the build for this is basically just like put that together somehow. Yeah, looks like that's the put together for that blower. Decent size. My parents have a smaller, like one that came with a toolkit for a DeWalt. So this looks more like a regular size blower. Really small, really lightweight. Doesn't have the battery yet. Weed whacker handle. This is the weed whacker guard. And then string trimmer. It's on a hinge, so it folds up. Fairly compact. And then the battery. So without even looking at the instructions, I don't even think I'll need the instructions for this, but I'm gonna go ahead and charge the battery. Get a good charge on that, and then we'll get back to it and open this thing up and do some string trimming and some blowing off and see how this thing works. Alright, so I charged the battery, which you can test by pushing the little button. It shows you the level of the battery. And it looked like there's a little bit of assembly, but not much. Get a Phillips screwdriver. Basically, pull this thing off, flip this out. 2 screws go in here. These should be little hex head screws. They give you a tool for that, a little Allen key. We have this guard. This goes down here like so, plugs onto there, and then you have 2 screws with washers that go on here. Holds this guard in place. It's got a little metal flange there, which I guess cuts this wire. Oh, that's the metal flange. You got a razor blade there that is covered with tape, so just be cautious. You don't want to cut yourself. Screwdriver. Phillips head does not come with the kit. Alright. Comes with the wire already in there. It's a little bump head, so as you're spinning it, you bump it on the ground. Makes the cord retract out further, just like any string trimmer that you've ever used. And then we just need the handle. Let's see, Kobalt. So that should be the extent of the assembly. Basically 2 bolts here, flip this forward, 2 bolts. They give you the Allen key for those. Put the guard on the bottom, 2 screws with the screwdriver, and then this just clamps right on. And just want to make sure you charge your battery beforehand. And then you know, all the safety precautions that are in the book. Do those. Wear shoes, don't wear flip-flops. Plug that thing in, and there you go. So that's the lead lever. It's pretty silent. And then let's try the blower out real quick here. Blower. It's got a little so you can keep it on. Definitely not blowing me away by any stretch of the imagination, but it'll get leaves. Let's see, this thing didn't seem to be locked on there. Needs to go turn all the way. We got it on the side. There it goes. Right. Sucks it in here, blows it out here. Pretty simple. So in our yard, we thought it was a great idea. Looked really cool to have this rock border. But as you see, it gets like all this stuff. And the weed eaters, the string trimmer has been the only thing that's really kind of allowed us to get in around those rocks. So so let's see how this beast does with this stuff. All right, always wear eye protection, wear feet protection, leg protection. I'm not going to go out and put pants on, but I do have eye protection on. So check it out. Alright, so that does what it needs to do. Alright, so another thing we use our string trimmer for is we got this patio in our backyard, which we love, but the rocks are just set in gravel and sand, and so they get weeds that come up. And my wife comes out here and she tries to pick them, but as you can see, there's tons of weeds. So I usually just come out with the weed whacker and just smooth it all out, just cut it all down. Sometimes we'll spray some weed killer on top of them, but we don't want to get them on the rest of the plants, the weed killer. So a lot of times it's easiest just to come out here, and you end up going through a lot of the line because it tears up the line, the bricks, but you know, line's pretty cheap. So let's see how it does on this. Works pretty good. All right, just like that. I got 90% of the weeds. You're gonna see some afterwards, but got 90% of them. And yeah, just makes it a lot easier. Now I would normally take the push broom and like push this stuff all over the place, and it would take me twice as long just to broom it all up. Hopefully the blower will just like, I can blow it all into one corner and then sweep it up. Let's see how that works. Get the blower unit. Got tabs here, take the battery off. Snap the battery on the blower. Good to go with that. This is super lightweight without the battery. Just push this to the side. And then let's see, I'm just going to push it all over that side. Pretty good. Looks pretty good. Alright, so you can see how good this thing blows. So I'm not a landscaper, but I give this thing thumbs up. It's as good, if not better, than any gas trimmer I've ever used. There's just as much power, more control. Throttle response is great. Yeah, I'd buy it again in a heartbeat. I might buy one for my parents actually. So go get it. The Kobalt 24 volt brushless trimmer blower combo. All right, later.